Wonder what that is. Not coming from my room. Maybe it's coming from the hallway. Started about, I want to say, 30 to 35 seconds ago. I know it's an alarm of some sort, but that's all I can gather. Oh, there's also construction going on. Yay. Seriously though, what is that? Doesn't sound like a fire alarm. It could be. Trying to work out what that is. Mystery Noise 101. But it's getting annoying. Can I punch it? Can I punch it? Can I punch it to make it stop? I really want it to stop. Can I punch it to make it stop? It's really annoying. It's really annoying. Right now it's really annoying. It really, really is annoying. I really want it to stop. Okay, bye.